Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account by bank transfer. So it's pretty easy. You just have to open up your Revolut account and then go to the home page, which is going to be on the bottom left side of the screen. Then click on the add money button, which is going to be on the home page on the left side, and type in the amount of money that you would like to add to your account. Then click on this button, which is going to be right here, to select the regular bank transfer. And when you click on this button, it's going to open up a page where it shows you your details, your bank addresses for your Revolut account, your IBAN address, and you can just type that in for the bank transfer to receive money. It's pretty easy. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.